Good day, everyone. I'm Dr. Sungchang Park from Ewha Women's University Seoul Hospital, Department of Surgery. Today, I will be talking about the surgical treatment of breast cancer, covering fundamental principles, surgical options, and recent advances. Breast cancer is the most common malignancy in women worldwide. While systemic therapy has evolved, surgery still remains the cornerstone of breast cancer treatment. The primary goals of surgery are tumor removal, disease staging, and where possible, preservation of the breast appearance. Surgical treatment is indicated for early